Let's move on to 2021 predictions. So 2021 predictions, number one, Bitcoin I think is going to go above 50,000. I think it's just going to become more accepted in terms of transactions as a form of digital payment. And seeing people like PayPal getting into it, I think it's going to legitimize the use of Bitcoin being used for just kind of daily shopping. I think that's going to really bring it up to that next level of acceptance. Number two, I think the Fed's going to continue to be accommodative, and I think there's going to be another stimulus package that's after this $600 paycheck package for people who are, I think, making less than like $75,000 a year, and $150,000, I believe, for married couples. Number three, I think schools are going to reopen first, and then you're going to need to have, daycare facilities opening up next, so that it allows for a lot of stay-at-home moms and dads to be able to go back into the office to start working again. I don't think that herd immunity is going to occur. I don't believe that the vaccinations are going to be as widely distributed as people hope them to be. So I don't think that we're going to get to that 75-80% herd immunity by the end of the year with the vaccines. Number four, I think there's actually going to be a mutation. This is really bad news, but I think you're going to see a variant to the COVID-19 and virus, and I think that that's going to require more newer annualized flu shots, but specifically for coronavirus 19 to be like coronavirus 20, 21, 22. It's just going to have to be something that's going to be updated, and you're just going to have to get a shot every year, just like the flu shot. So that's obviously not a good prediction. Number five, I think that treasury rates will continue to rise this year, as opposed to what I thought was going to happen last year. And I think the long end of the curve, meaning like anything beyond 20 years and beyond, is going to continue to steepen. Number six, I think China's economy is going to really strengthen and move away from the U.S. consumer and that kind of dependence, and I don't think they're going to be buying as much U.S. treasuries going forward. Number seven, I think COVID deaths are actually going to hit 600,000 people by the end of the year. That's a really big number. It's a terrible number to say, but I really think that that's going to happen. I think single-family homes, number eight, are going to be up 10% or more. Number nine, I think the 10-year Treasury is actually going to end up where it ended up at the end of 2020. So I think that it's going to be somewhere in that 1.5% range. But again, I think that the longer end of the curve is going to be a lot steeper, meaning that I think that the yields are going to increase a lot quicker than the lower term treasuries. And my last, or actually my second to last, because I have a bonus 11. But number 10, I think that hotels and big box retail is going to have a really strong recovery in 2021. So, I think that a lot of names that are not luxury hotels, because I think luxury hotels are still going to suffer. I think airlines are still going to suffer. And I think major gateway cities are going to severely lag other cities because I feel like those cities have really taken it too fast, too far on rents, and just cost of living has just been unsustainable. And then my bonus 11 is I think that inflation expectations are going to rise, towards the end of the year. So again, I really think that the U.S. dollar is going to lose its value quite significantly over the year. And so the places to be, I would think, would be, other forms of, commodities and digital currency. So again, I think that Bitcoin is going to be a big winner for the year, along with gold. And that's it.